Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of home gardening to discover the best plants to grow at home. If you're new to gardening or just looking for some high-yielding crops to add to your collection, you're in the right place. Let's start with basil. This aromatic herb is a must-have for any home garden. Basil is not only easy to grow but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Next up, cilantro. Known for its distinctive flavor, cilantro is perfect for adding a fresh touch to your dishes. It grows quickly and can be harvested multiple times. Tomatoes are a garden favorite. Whether you're growing cherry tomatoes or larger varieties, you'll enjoy a bountiful harvest that's perfect for salads, sauces, and more. Peppers are another fantastic choice. They come in a variety of colors and flavors, from sweet bell peppers to spicy jalapenos. They're great for spicing up your meals. And let's not forget lettuce. It's quick to grow and provides a constant supply of fresh greens for your salads and sandwiches. These are our top 5 high-yielding crops to grow at home: basil, cilantro, tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce. Now let's talk about how to grow these wonderful plants. First, planting. For all these crops, you'll need well-draining soil and a sunny spot. Start seeds indoors for tomatoes and peppers about 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Basil, cilantro, and lettuce can be directly sown into the garden. Next, watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Basil, cilantro, and lettuce need regular watering, while tomatoes and peppers prefer deep, less frequent watering. Fertilizing is key for a healthy garden. Use an organic fertilizer every few weeks to ensure your plants get the nutrients they need to thrive. Finally, harvesting. Pick basil and cilantro leaves as needed. Harvest tomatoes when they're fully colored and firm. Peppers can be picked at any stage but are sweeter when fully ripe. Lettuce leaves can be harvested individually, or you can cut the whole plant. Growing your own food has so many benefits. You get fresh, healthy produce right from your garden. It's cost-effective, and you have complete control over how your food is grown. Plus, it's fun and incredibly rewarding. Wondering where to get started? Check out CaliKim Seed Collections for high-quality seeds, CaliKim Smart Pots for easy planting, and CaliKim's book, Organic Gardening for Everyone, for all the tips and tricks you need. So what are you waiting for? Start growing your own food today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching. See you next time.